In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to load a pipe or an open hole data. Pressing a Select Pipe button in any module will launch the Select Section screen. First, select the pipe category. In this example, we have selected a coiled tubing pipe. Then select the desired size of pipe. Finally, press the Add button. This will load all the pipe dimensions to the calculator. We shall then enter the end of pipe depth of this section. Similarly, we can enter more pipe sections by pressing the Add Pipe Section button. The new section depth is automatically given the same depth of the previous section. We can change this depth or any other as in this example.